Folic acid, also known as folate, folacin, or vitamin B9, is a recommended supplement for pregnant women. But did you know that folic acid is also important for the heart and Alzheimer's prevention? Folate is something necessary for many bodily functions, such as the synthesis and repair of DNA, cellular growth and division, protein production, and red blood cell formation. Learn more about its benefits. It is good for the skin, nails, and hair. Folic acid helps with nail and hair growth, fights acne and dermatitis, controls oiliness, and also gives an amazing glow to skin. Important during pregnancy for fetal development and neural tubes formation. Great for the brain. It helps develop the fetal nervous system, aids cognitive capacities, and mental and emotional health. Helps your heart. Together with vitamins B6 and B12, folate reduces the homocysteine levels, which contribute to blood vessel flexibility and thus a reduction in blood pressure. And last but not least, it is great to boost your immune system. For adults, the recommended daily dose of folic acid is 400 micrograms and 150 or 300 micrograms for children. In case of pregnancy, the dose goes up to 600 micrograms. And for breastfeeding women, it is 500 micrograms. A great way to get folic acid besides supplements is through eating. That's why we will now show you some foods that are rich in vitamin B9. 1. Leafy greens: arugula, spinach, endive, lettuce, watercress, kale, celery, chard, and parsley. 2. Broccoli, asparagus, artichoke, and radish must be steamed as to not lose their benefits. 3. Legumes such as chickpea, beans, and peas. 4. Beer yeast. 5. Fruits such as avocado, orange, banana, and melon. 6. Nuts such as almonds and hazelnuts. 7. Whole grains such as oats and quinoa. 8. Vegetable butters such as peanut butter or sesame butter, tahini. Do your checkup tests and check your folic acid levels. In case of doubt, talk to your doctor to see if it is necessary to supplement this powerful vitamin. Did you know all the benefits of folic acid to our health? If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.